MyEG Services BHD is buying 10 million doses of Anhui Zhifei Biopharmaceutical Co. Limited's COVID-19 vaccine, with the recombinant protein subunit vaccine reserved for delivery in August, when the private market for vaccines is opened in Malaysia. The Zhifei vaccine is said to be the most popular in China now. In a filing with Bursa Malaysia, MyEG said it holds 3-year rights to exclusively distribute the vaccine in Malaysia and, through a separate partnership, has 2-year exclusive distribution rights to the vaccine in the Philippines and is presently in discussions to distribute it in other countries. MyEG has signed a letter of intent to ensure that the corresponding quantity of Zhifei's recombinant protein subunit vaccine is reserved for delivery as early as August when vaccination through the private market is enabled. The cost of the vaccine will be determined later, subject to the conditional authorization by NPRA. MyEG said it is confident that when the Zhifei vaccine becomes available locally, it can play an important role in accelerating the country's drive towards achieving herd immunity against the COVID-19 virus. Jointly developed by Zhifei and the Institute of Microbiology of the Chinese Academy of Sciences, the vaccine has fast emerged as among the preferred vaccines in China since gaining emergency use authorization there in early March in view of its distinct inherent advantages as a recombinant protein subunit vaccine. More than 60 million doses have already been administered in more than a dozen provincial-level regions, including Beijing. The vaccine is also being used in Uzbekistan. Recombinant protein technology is proven, having been used for the development of vaccines such as hepatitis B and shingles. In addition, recombinant protein vaccines can be more easily produced on a large scale since production does not need to be carried out in high-grade biosafety laboratories, and they are also more cost-effective and easier to store and transport. Since the outbreak of the COVID-19 virus, MyEG has leveraged its strengths and expertise as a leading digital services provider in the region to introduce a number of significant initiatives as part of a holistic solution aimed at helping in the fight against the pandemic. Besides vaccines, these offerings include screening services, quarantine management and digital health travel pass systems.